Imagine a timepiece that seamlessly blends avant-garde design with everyday functionality. A watch that's as much a statement of innovation as it is a tool for the modern enthusiast. That's exactly what MB&F has achieved with the LM101 EVO, a bold reimagining of their iconic legacy machine for the brand's 20th anniversary. But here's where it gets controversial. Can a watch this futuristic still honor its roots? Let's dive in. This year, MB&F celebrates 2 decades of defying conventions in watchmaking. Max Busser and friends have built a legacy on blending the whimsical with the mechanical, and the LM101 has long been a fan favorite. Amidst their often mind-boggling designs, the LM101 stands out as a relatively minimalist masterpiece, if anything from MB&F can be called minimalist. Now it's getting the EVO treatment, a move that injects a dose of sporty modernity into its DNA. And this is the part most people miss. It's not just about aesthetics. It's about adapting to how we live today. At the heart of the LM101 EVO is its signature flying balance wheel and floating escapement, showcased under a dramatic domed crystal. These elements, paired with sub-dials for time and power reserve, distill the essence of mechanical watchmaking. The 101, if you will. But don't be fooled by the simplicity of the concept. The execution is anything but. The in-house caliber is a marvel of complexity, a testament to MB&F's craftsmanship. While the original LM101 straddled the line between classic and contemporary, the EVO edition fully embraces modernity. Think improved water resistance, 80 meters, thanks to a screw-down crown, a 40mm titanium case with sleek lugs, and a rubber strap designed for active lifestyles. Plus there's the brand's patented flex ring shock absorber, ensuring the movement stays protected during wear. The EVO editions come in 2 striking dial colors, a vibrant peacock green and a fiery orange salmon, both achieved through a CVD coating. But the changes go beyond color. The subdials for time and power reserve, now extended to 60 hours, are rendered in black with loomed arrow-tipped hands. The balance wheel's arches are softened, trading sharp angles for fluid curves. The escapement wheel, skeletonized with MB&F's battle axe motif, adds an edgy contrast. These updates make the LM101 EVO unmistakably modern, yet it still nods to its heritage. But here's the debate. Does the battle axe motif on the escapement wheel feel too overt? While some might find it a minor misstep, it's a small critique in an otherwise stellar redesign. The classic LM101 remains in the collection, so purists need not worry. This is simply an expansion of choice. What hasn't changed is the caliber itself, aside from the extended power reserve and the flex ring. The LM101 caliber, introduced in 2014 as MB&F's first in-house movement, developed with Kari Voutilainen, retains its sweeping bridges, gold chatons, and Geneva stripes. It's this blend of traditional finishing and avant-garde design that earns the legacy in its name. The flying balance wheel still uses Moser's Straumann double hairspring, beating at a relaxed 18,000 VPH, 2.5 Hz. Priced at CHF 62,000, the LM101 EVO isn't a limited edition, but production is constrained by MB&F's capacity. And here's a thought. With its limited availability and bold design, will this become the next grail for collectors? Or is it too much of a departure for traditionalists? What we think. As someone who's always admired the LM101, I was thrilled to see the EVO version. Having previewed prototypes in Geneva, I can confirm it's impressive, not revolutionary, but a natural evolution. The CVD dials are mesmerizing, especially the green variant, which shifts from blues and teals indoors to vibrant greens outdoors. The salmon dial, with its intense orange hues, is equally captivating. Both options promise a wrist party like no other. The LM101 EVO is a fitting tribute to MB&F's 20 years of innovation, proving they've mastered the art of balancing tradition and futurism. With limited production, it's likely to spark a frenzy among collectors. But the real question is, does it push the boundaries too far, or is it the perfect blend of old and new? The basics, brand, MB&F model LM101 EVO, diameter 40 millimeters, thickness 16.5 millimeters, case material titanium, dial color, green or salmon, indexes, engraved, loom, yes, water resistance 80 meters, strap bracelet, rubber strap with matching titanium folding buckle. The movement, caliber, LM101, functions, hours, minutes, power reserve, suspended flying balance wheel, power reserve, 60 hours, winding, manual, frequency, 18,000 VPH or 2.5 Hz, joules, 23, chronometer certified, no, additional details, bespoke 14mm balance wheel with Straumann double hairspring. Pricing availability, price, CHF 62,000, availability, now limited, edition, no. For more, visit MB&F's official website, https://www. Is the LM101 EVO a masterpiece of modern watchmaking, or a step too far into the future? Let us know in the comments. We're eager to hear your take.